We are in Estonian ferry. That means we are traveling to Tallinn, to Helsinki, and we have to arrive like in 2 hours. That means we have to just do nothing now and wait when the ferry is carrying us to the Finland, and then let's see what's happened there. We are in Finland now, in the Helsinki, in Simon Katto 6. It is El Patron Club. I built it like 10 years or 12 years ago, and today and tomorrow is the final days in this club. And we just parked our car over the street and we just watch what's happening in the club now. No, it's the weirdest part for the somebodies. We are just in TunedBySamuli. Our room is upside of the garage. That means we are sleeping in the garage. There is very nice place for it. In the morning, now it's the 1 o'clock in nighttime. Samuli comes here in 8 o'clock, and then we start to tie on my car. When it's finished, then we leave, and Samuli still have much work to do. But it's the best host for me, because if I see outside this, the hotels are very expensive, but I need it only for the 7 hours. I understand how much I have to work to get it. That means this place in upstairs, it's the very good one for me. Good morning, my friends. We are still in Samuli's place. That means we are starting today with breakfast. We are not filming this one because it is, just eating something. Of course, Finland, you drink a coffee in the morning, and doesn't matter when. You have the coffee tauka. That means coffee and breakfast. And now we are just getting ready to go to Taino, and we have to manage some things much better now.
Yeah! yeah, I saw the mark. Oh.
You making some sound?
Yeah.
It looks like police radar.
Yeah.
If you don't see the buttons.
Yeah.
Is it illegal in Finland to have the police radar?
No.
You can use it?
No. It's not allowed.
Have to take flanges off because our bolts are so long. We cannot put the hubs on the hubs, I think. Yeah. There's some center thing. We are just starting tiling my car. I have one little accident in tanking my car, and it is very bad for my eye. But now it's going better. That means if the car is shut down, I explain what happened with my eye, and the second thing, what happened with my car in Estonia. We find it out, we know where is the problem, and now we make it good. Let's make some final sessions. We finish the dyno runs. That means that mistake what I know which causing big problems in Estonia and repair dyno. It is this little pressure sensor in the fuel line, and the main problem is this. It's like calculating minus and plus. That means fuel pressure have the never in the vacuum, and my car have it. It shows to the tablet and ECU it can be the vacuum and to the positive side, and that means it's calibrated wrong, and we just take fuel pressure too low in the dyno session, and it caused many problems to run the car good. But now it's repaired, and we just find out I made some little mistakes more in the injectors timing table, and now it's fully very good position. I think the car is really good now. And we are ready to go back to Estonia. You can be on video if you want, it's no problem for us.
No, you can be.
Samuel is hiding on the video, but put our dyno log into the screen because everybody wants to see what's happening. The best peak is like 941 Newton meters on hops. And somewhere is the horsepower too, it's like going up and up. It is good. That means this is the solution. Now we have. That means we can drive very well, I think. And the second thing, we have these 3 steps, like pussy one, normal one, and max attack.
Yeah, and I think the car is the best now what it has been ever, so yeah, it's really working really good now. Even I am happy, you know.
Yeah, Samuel is facing like last times. He's not this like disappointed little bit my car, but we know where is the fault now. Yeah. It is good to find it out, and we get very good car now. Yeah. Let's see what happens the next weekend in Riga, but we have much work to do to get there.
Yeah. Okay, good luck for Riga and the rest of the season, and yeah, I'm happy we get sorted out it and find the problem, and yeah.
It's good. It is not his fault, I think. It
yeah,
is like
it's like this much my fault, but
yeah,
yeah, I'm happy you came back and we can fix it. And
yeah, but I can explain it very fast because this car have like tuned like 3 guys before the Samuli. That means we just put the new sensor on the car in the like 7 years ago, but everybody is just not using it. They're not watching what's happening in the fuel pressure. Samuel is the only guy who wants to put the correct place for the ECU, and it fucks up.
Yeah, and it needs to be like right calibrated because I'm using this fuel pressure tracking. So if something happens on fuel system and pressure is like dropping middle of your running, It's recalculating VE table about pressure, and that's why I needed to like get it right way. And when this sensor was like the model what I haven't seen ever before, I haven't seen fuel or oil pressure sensor can so vacuum. So yeah, of course I was thinking it's 10 bar sensor, but it's a 9 bar sensor where is vacuum -1 bar. So yeah, basically yes, it's a little bit my fault, and but anyways, it's no matter. Now it's fixed and everything is working, and I really hope you can drive rest of the season like without any problems. So
I hope same, and it is not. We can't say it's his fault.
Yeah.
It is for my side to understand it. It's not. Somebody is want to argument. Whose fault is it? I can say it's everybody's fault.
Yeah.
Not only one guy. And the easy thing is in this place, you can buy this sensor in the Maxeco web page. That means you never know when somebody is, I don't know how to say it, only bad word for that.
Yeah.
It's so easy thing but can cause so much problems for the cars and tunes and everything. But then the second time we're all of the smarter of that.
Yeah, I'm not doing same thing never again, so. But yeah, anyways,
it's good now, and it's the final thing.
Yeah.
We are not losing our friends in this little problem. We just solved it, and now it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to back it.
Yeah.
It is weird. We are middle of nowhere. It is very nearby Alajärvi, but here is airport on the field. It is several times we are just seeing planes are just standing on these roads or in the ends of that airfield roads, but it is crazy thing because it is so little, and you never mention that it can be like some airfield. And the second thing is they have the fighter jets on the top of some poles. I don't know how to say it. When we catch it, I try to film it. It's weird decoration, but it's very cool. Now it's again airfield. Well, not airfield, it's airfield or airport. It's real airport, but it's like a spare ones. It's very weird because if the Annette is moving camera this way, it is like drag stripe on the highway. That means Finnish guys are flying guys, lentokone guys. We just refuel our car because Finland is very long. We just drive to Alajärvi yesterday and halfway back. Now we are in Tampere. Everything is similar like yesterday, but today is not dark outside, and we are just going to the there is half we see like Ennukulma. I don't know. We just watch it. Can we get some food there, and then we start again traveling to Helsinki. I love choppers. Yeah. Still we are on the road to the Helsinki. We just tanked the tow truck, and the second thing, we just have to move the car on the ramps. That means the car is, I don't know, it is going a little bit to the right side because our winch is holding it in the right side, and the straps are tightened a little bit wrong way. But now it's good. I just pull it back with the, I don't know which tool is it. It's some stretching thing. And the second thing is we are just watching Finnish Drift live. It is Chicago Drift. and there is nothing else. It's just very great roads to the Helsinki and Tampere. It's very high speed. That means not high speed, but if it's highway. Highway is the right to say for that, and it's good to drive because in Estonia almost we have these narrow roads, not like that. Finally in Helsinki, we just tank our drift car and put all the canisters what we have full of the fuel, because we have Estonian can buy that ethanol, and in Finland but there is a price cap which is almost a half. That means it is a big difference, but yeah, we have the fuel now for the next race, and let's see what's happening in the harbor then. But there can't be something big happen, because we just have to drive over the gates and make check-in and everything, and it's very easy and comfortable. Finally, we are in Estonia. That means we have traveled to home. It's like next 60 kilometers, but it's about nothing. And these gates and tolls and everything is every time little bit difficult. If we know we have a little bit longer bus than we can book, and this time in Finland we have to pay more 1 meter, because we have like 40 centimeters longer trailer than in what I can book. But also I'm really tired. That means we end this video here, I think. Oh no, we have one thing. In the first thing in the morning we made huge mistake for the tanking our drift car. I just pulled the ethanol into the gas tank. That means I have it in the canister, and I just try to refuel my car, and one like raindrop, it's not raindrop, it's ethanol drop, is dropped in my eye. It is like half of hour. I clean my eyes and everything, and this is thing what we never think about. Why in refueling the cars we have to have the safety glasses or something like that? Of course it's for everybody's, it's weird to use these ones, but I really recommend it. And next time my guys, if I have to refuel my car, they have to use the glasses now. It's not done yet. I have one recommended thing more. Push like, subscribe and comments. If you like this problematic English version of our trips, we can try to make it next time more.